all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, check out my Christmas filter look. It perfectly captures my jovial nature, radiating festive cheer and holiday spirit. With vibrant colors and playful elements, this filter transforms my vibe into pure joy. It's a fun way to share my excitement and spread happiness to everyone around me. As you can see, it's a candle making vlog, where we transform simple ingredients into elegant masterpieces. Creating classy designer candles for the Christmas and New Year season is a delightful process that can add a personal touch to your holiday decor. The first step is to choose your vessel or unique molds. For a festive theme, consider using elegant glass jars, vintage teacups, or even holiday-shaped molds like stars or Christmas trees. These choices not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also make wonderful gifts for friends and family. Once you have your vessels ready, it's time to gather your materials. Firstly, prepare your wicks. Cotton or wooden wicks work well for a classy finish. Make sure to secure the wick in the center of your vessel using a wick holder or a bit of melted wax to keep it in place while you pour. Next, you'll need high-quality soy wax, which is eco-friendly and burns cleanly. Start by measuring the amount of wax you'll need based on the size of your vessel. Now, let's melt the soy wax. Use a double boiler for best result. Gently heat the wax until it reaches about 134 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. I am using here an unused kadai here. Please don't let the wax to burn or boil. This is the perfect temperature to add your chosen essential oils for a lovely fragrance. For a festive touch, consider adding a hint of camphor or seasonal scents like cinnamon or pine. If you'd like to add color, now is the time to mix in dye chips or liquid colorant or any pigments to achieve the desired hue that complements your holiday theme. Select fragrances that evoke the essence of Christmas. I am using here lavender essence, rose oil and camphor. My whole room is now filled with this rich, pleasant fragrance that's making me feel very relaxed and wonderful. But I couldn't be able to literally send the aromas through the screen. Anyway, the popular seasonal scents include cinnamon, pine, and vanilla also. You can experiment with combinations to create unique aromas. Once everything is well mixed, carefully pour the melted wax into your prepared vessels, ensuring the wick stays centered. Allow the candles to cool and set completely, which usually takes a few hours. In this series, we'll explore the art of crafting well-designed candles that not only illuminate your space but also elevate your mood. With a focus on using high-quality essential oils, we'll guide you through the process of creating scents that soothe, energize, and inspire. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, our tips and techniques will help you produce classy candles that reflect your personal style. Join us as we delve into the world of candle making, where creativity meets functionality. We'll share insights on selecting the perfect wax, choosing the right wicks, and blending essential oils to achieve captivating fragrances. Each episode is designed to empower you with the skills needed to create stunning candles that make a statement in any room. So, grab your supplies and let's embark on this aromatic journey together. Your perfect candle awaits. That's how I have melted the wax, added all the ingredients, mixed it well and poured the mixture into my desired vessels one by one. Where we need to double coloring, we have to fill the mold halfway and allowed it to cool or solidify. Only then we can pour another colored mixture. All the ingredients which I have used here mostly bought from Amazon. I will share all the links below in the description box. There's also a vlog on candle making process which I have shared earlier. You can check it also through the shared links. PLZ, do share, like and subscribe if you inspired by my creative vlogs. Thank you so much for your delightful supports. You can tap the vessels or the molds to make the wax bubble free and also for evenly fixing. I have made these molds for another candle making project which I will share in the next vlog. This is the second wooden vessel. I will transform it to a very classy piece by adding some attractive ingredients. So please keep watching till the end to get its complete gestures. To gently demold a solid candle, the most important steps are to ensure it is completely cooled and cured, and to use gentle pressure to peel the mold away from the wax. Wow, look how beautiful the mold is. It's so cute. I am not going to burn it surely. I will keep it as a showpiece or will use it in any resin project. Describing the steps for demolding. 1. The candle must be fully solid and cool to the touch. For best results, wait a minimum of a few hours, or ideally a full 12 to 24 hours, especially if using a softer wax like soy. Rushing this step can cause warping or breaking. 2. Gently pull the sides of the mold away from the wax with your fingertips all the way around the candle. This breaks the seal and allows air to enter, which makes removal easier. 3. Once the sides are loose, place your thumbs on either side of the mold and your fingers at the bottom. Push up from the bottom to ease the candle out. Avoid pulling on the wick, as this can cause it to detach or snap. Work the mold up slowly, peeling it away from the candle a little at a time. Take extra care with intricate details like flower petals or ears, slowly peeling the mold back too. Keep them intact. Consider using a mold release spray or any kind of oils into the mold before pouring the wax or time of demolding. Look, I have done it carefully without damaging any parts. There is also solution if it will break. I will share in my next vlog. This is a volcanic lava candle. When it will burn, the melting wax will be erupted form this wooden vessel. I am decorating this piece with lemongrass, pine cones, cinnamon, mace and star anise for enhancing its aesthetic beauty. It will also spread a light fragrance of these items when it will be lighted. It's a very easy process to fix the items with the heat of a heat gun. You just need to melt the area where you want to fix the ingredients and keep them one after another accordingly. What do you think? Is it beautiful or not? Please comment below. Once they're solid, trim the wicks to about 1/4 inch above the wax surface. It's a double-layered candle. After melting the Xmas tree candle, we can use the lower part also. Your classy designer candles are now ready to light up your holiday celebrations. They are the perfect items to be gifted to your loved ones, spreading warmth and joy during this special season of Christmas and New Year Eve. You can use a candle trimmer to trim the wicks. Though I am using a sharp knife here, trimmer is a better option for cutting the wicks. Let's decorate the second piece. I am creating a hole in the center point of the snowflake with the help of a needle. Gently push the needle so that it will not break. While a candle has been set on fire, its wick burning to produce light and warmth, a simple action with deep historical, religious and symbolic meaning, representing faith, hope, or knowledge, often depicted in art as a steadfast flame against darkness, like in the Reformations. The candle is lighted, we cannot blow it out. Candle making can indeed be a very satisfying and creative hobby, combining the enjoyment of crafting with the pleasure of beautiful scents and atmosphere. If you're interested in exploring new techniques, this vlog is a good option. Hope you get some ideas of advanced processes like making layered candles, using molds for unique shapes, or from creating your own custom color dye to unique fragrance blends. As the festive season approaches, the idea of making unique candles for Christmas and New Year's Eve fills me with joy and excitement. There's something truly special about crafting candles that reflect the warmth and cheer of the holidays. I love experimenting with different colors, scents, and shapes, allowing my creativity to shine. Whether it's a pine-scented candle shaped like a Christmas tree or a sparkling gold one for New Year's Eve, each creation becomes a personal touch that enhances the festive atmosphere. Engaging in candle making during this time not only brings a sense of satisfaction but also serves as a fun activity to share with family and friends. I often invite loved ones to join me in this creative endeavor, turning it into a delightful gathering filled with laughter and inspiration. Together, we explore various themes, from traditional holiday motifs to whimsical designs that capture the spirit of celebration. The process of pouring wax, adding fragrances, and decorating the candles becomes a cherished memory, making the experience even more meaningful. For selling purpose, you can label your candles with product informations, statement of identity, net weight, manufacturer identity, and warning statements, etc. Candle making has become a beloved hobby that not only sparks my creativity but also fills my heart with warmth and happiness. Hope for the best. Merry Christmas to all of you. Stay tuned for the next. Still then, bye. Namaste. Jai Shiv Shakti.